This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on your Android mobile with GUI version. Well, the process is very simple, but you need to watch the video till the end. So before starting the tutorial, I want you to subscribe my channel and like the video. So let's start the video. For it, you need 4 apps. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar type Linux deploy. Install this app and now in the search bar type VNC Viewer and install the app. Now search BGBox and install this app. Now open BGBox app and give it all the permissions. Now here you need to wait. Just wait for it. Now click on the install button and click on the cancel button. Now it will install BGBox in your Android mobile. Now it is successfully installed. So open Linux deploy app and click on the 3 lines. Now in the distribution select Kali and in the image size you can assign it whatever you want. Am I assigning 6 GB space for it? Now check the init and the mount and the pulse audio and GUI. In the GUI settings you can set the screen width and length according to your device. Now in the username and the user password. In the username you can use any name, whatever you want. I'm using Kali and in the user password you can set any password. Now click on the 3 dot and click on the install and press OK. Now it will start downloading all the resources and install the Kali Linux on your mobile. Here you just need to wait and don't be panic. It will take some time. Just sit back and wait for it. And do not skip the video. For it you need a lot of internet data and space in your mobile and don't exit the app. Just sit back and wait for the process to complete. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like the video. Do not skip the video. Because it will take some time and do not skip any step. Now it is installed and so we just need to Press the start button, press OK. But it is showing some error, but don't be panic, I have a solution. So for it, you need to click on the three dots and select configure and press OK. Now it will take some time, so give it. And now the problem will be solved. Just wait for it. Do not skip the video. Now it is installed successfully, so press start and OK. Now open VNC Viewer app, click on the plus sign, and in the address you need to type the IP address. In my case it is 192.168.43.118, and in name you can use any name. I'm using Kali. Now you can select picture quality to adjust it, but now press connect, and here you need to type the password. Type the password that you have set earlier, and in the user password now press continue, and now you can see Kali Linux is successfully installed on your Android mobile. You can use all the tools, but you need to install the basic tools. So let's open the terminal. Now I'm installing the package git, so type apt install git. So for it you need to log in into the root, password Kali, but it is showing authentication failure, so don't be panic, just type to solve the problem sudo password and press enter. Now type the new password. You can use any password, whatever you want. Now retype the password. Now you are into the root, just type su and the password, and now you can install any packages in your Kali Linux machine. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want any other tool tutorial or any other app tutorial, you can comment down. And if you are facing any issue regarding this, you can tell me in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.